I am a very proud fan of Shabana since, I think, 1996. I have jumped fences to try and just catch a glimpse of what Shabana players are able to show on the pitch. So you can be sure that I will do whatever is necessary in my position to be able to support the club. That's why we are all here, the leaders from Gusii community. And yesterday, Arsenal started by bagging 3 points. I hope you will also put a smile on our faces by bagging 3 points in the first match of the new campaign. Finally, because this is not about me, Arsenal's best coach, Arsene Wenger, once remarked, if you cannot believe you will do it, then you have no chance at all. So as we all gather here to celebrate our club, we also have a reason to believe that we are going to do it and that we are going to go very high up in the Kenyan Premier League. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Barongo. I now invite Senator Irene Mayaka.
Thank you very much, our DG, and thank you for the blessings of future seats to be a senator. You're for now.